quick little video coming for you right now because you guys were requesting it. You guys will not stop requesting it. Every time I put a picture up on Instagram with just eyeliner, with my dope cat liner, I get tons and tons of comments and requests and whatnot to do it, to do a tutorial for it, so that's what I'm gonna be doing today. I have the skills of an artist-ish. This is my favorite eyeliner, NYX Matte Liquid Liner. It's nice, it's precise, it's fine, it's snatchable. Got a really nice fine tip. I think this is key to this specific look because you get extra precision, but you can use whatever you feel comfortable with. You could do this with a gel liner, not really with a pencil, but you know, whatever. Okay, so I always start by drawing a simple line along my eyeline. You have to build a strong foundation for your eyeliner, you know? Nothing too precise, we're going to be going over it anyway. Time to draw your triangle. We're going to draw a nice line. Whenever it comes to actually drawing my eyeliner, my cat line, my wing, I always do it so that I angle it towards my eyebrow so that if I were to draw a straight line, it would touch the tip of my eyebrow. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do it as though I'm going to draw a straight line up to my brows. And now for the grand finale, draw a straight line from the tip of this line to around the middle of your eye. Once you got around this part, now it's just time to perfecting it. So make this sharper, fill in the rest of the line. You know it. Focus on me. Focus on me. Voila! Now repeat it right over here. Same exact principle, and we got it. Once you got your eyeliner done, you can then decorate your eyeballs and you are done for the day. So here it is, guys. This is my fabulous, beautiful eyeliner that I did. As I said, it's really, really easy. It just takes a bit of practice. You're there. Cool, so I will see you in my next video. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you'll give it a go. I hope you learned something. And haha, yes. Adios. Daniel, tell them goodbye.
Goodbye.
Ew. Okay. Bye. Can I watch you put on mascara? I hope you actually did.
Do those freckle things you did for yourself.
That doesn't, you don't do that with this. I'm gonna write something on your face. And you have to guess what it is.
Stuff come off.
If I might put... I'm drawing.
Brilliant, I love it. Tell them it's not this dirty.
It's always dirtier. It's not this dirty, it's dirtier.